What is the best mind mapping software? We've compiled the 5 best options from the top mind mapping software category. This will allow you to gather many ideas, organize and visualize them, and work with your team most efficiently and collaboratively as possible. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss the best part.
What is eDrawMind? MindMaster is a fully featured collaborative mind mapping and brainstorming tool with various themes and functions. It allows users to create content-organized and style-rich mind maps for different purposes like brainstorming, project management, knowledge management, business presentation, etc. Whether you need to work online or offline, anytime and from anywhere with any device, MindMaster offers complete flexibility with a selection of apps available to download and use directly. Best for business, education, and government. Pricing details: $5 per month per user, $28 per half year per user, $48 per year per user. Pros: my students love the way each topic unfolds in front of them. The cloud storage is so useful that I can access my mind maps anytime from any device. Helps to collect, categorize, and present my thoughts and ideas in a very effective means. Love the wealth of templates to assist here. The slideshow features are also great, outperforming any other similar I've used. It can be used either for professional or personal mind mapping. Great clip art and symbols. Can import other formats like Xmind, Mind Manager, and FreeMind. Cons: if someone reads this review, think twice before wasting your money and time on it. Lack of integration with calendar task manager apps. Have trouble keeping track of all your projects. Drag and drop sometimes works counterintuitively, and the content of some fields disappears when I start editing another field. What is Coggle? Mind mapping solution for understanding and sharing complex information. Best for planning and management in all businesses, and business-wide in consulting, education, and creative industries. Pricing details: free for up to 3 private diagrams. Awesome, $5 per month. Organization, $8 per member per month. Pros: I found Coggle very easy to understand and to use. It is like working with a coloring pen and a paper to develop your ideas. Easy to create mind maps and share with team members. Coggle is a great tool, and we have been using it for a few years. You can create simple mind maps using tools that allow you to change colors, add shapes, and much more. Cons: not a big deal, but a few times I found a node in the mobile app was moving to the bottom far away from the center. I could just undo it, but still annoying. There seems to be no way to auto-arrange the branches. There are no other ways to customize the look of the mind map, for example via themes. The product is unfortunately only available in a subscription per month. I didn't see the Black Friday promotion. I don't use it every day, but I do use it when planning and trying to corral confusing amounts of input or data points. What is Stoneboard? Stoneboard is an all-in-one shared digital transformation workspace and collaborative whiteboard where high-performing professionals and teams hold meetings, project manage, and perform day-to-day initiatives no matter where they are located. Identify, capture, prioritize, and act on your most exemplary ideas wherever and whenever they strike. Whether you have a physical, remote, or hybrid workforce, your digital transformation starts here. Best for Stoneboard accelerates innovation and problem-solving at scale across your organization, whether your teams are in the office, remote, hybrid, or a combination of all three. Pricing details: Stoneboard offers a free version for individuals or teams with up to 5 members. Business and enterprise plans with monthly or annual subscriptions are also available at the following prices. Startup, $5 per user per month, billed monthly. Business, $10 per user per month when billed monthly, or $8.33 per user per month when billed annually. Enterprise, contact for pricing. Pros: positive, as the person who usually is stuck transcribing papers, stickers after client workshops, it has saved me an abundance of time post-event for synthesizing user data. Plus, the templates are excellent for using several different methodologies. Stoneboard worked great as an online digital version of long sheets of paper and sticky notes that are traditionally used in project planning sessions. I like that it has document retention, tagging, and task assignment in one place. Cons: the mobile view needs work. There is also a limited number of users that can be on a board at once, meaning if you use it for a workshop, you'll need a scribe admin at each table. There have been very little in terms of things to complain about. Has a fairly limited scope in how it allows ideas to be explored, and even within that scope doesn't offer many options or functions. The education pricing was a bit confusing. They say if you use it for administrative work between faculty, you have to use their regular plans instead of the education plan. What is MindDomo? Online collaborative mind mapping, concept mapping, outlining, and Gantt chart software for visualizing and organizing information. Freemium software offers its essential services for free while charging for premium features. The free version has a 3 mind map limit. The software can be used from any standard web browser or by installing the free desktop for Windows and Mac and free mobile, iOS and Android applications. Best for creative teams, K-12 and university, enterprises, NGOs and individuals rely on diagramming and visualization to manage information and knowledge. Pros: I like the ease of working, the freedom to connect in many ways. Most of all, I do use the root cause analysis tool and other wizards. It is functionality I have not seen elsewhere. Worked since ever with mind maps on paper, and MindDomo is my perfect digital solution for it. Moreover, I can organize and share it better. The ability to copy and paste whole branches to other mind maps has also come in handy. After I got confident with MindDomo, I showed it to the team. They enjoyed it because it was easy to understand and to use it. Cons: feels outdated and difficult to use compared to other mind mapping tools. The code formatting and image integration are missing in Notes. There were some limitations. I sent them a mail. Then they explained how to overcome them, and now they have even removed the limitations since the last update. Lack of good mobile or tablet app. The Android one is too simple, lacks lots of PC features. What are mockups? Mockups is a visual collaboration tool that combines whiteboard, diagram, and design features in a single online app. Think, plan, and communicate in real time to create a wide range of visual materials for any project. Wireframes, mockups, diagrams, mind maps, dashboards, and prototypes. Over 1.5 million product managers use mockups. Business analysts, UX professionals, executive and cross-functional teams during foundational work on complex projects. Best for information technology companies, full-service marketing agencies, management consultants, and organizations design health, government, aerospace, logistics, and finance software. Pricing details. Mockups offers a free plan for one project, limited to 200 objects and 5 MB of storage. Paid plans include monthly and annual subscriptions, spanning across individual, pro, and enterprise programs. Details include individual, single user, $19 per month or $13 per month billed annually. Pro, minimum 6 seats, $29 per month or $5 a seat, or $20 per month, $3 per seat billed annually. Enterprise, information available on request. Pros: the new table feature is much better and allows more flexibility than the legacy table. I like using mockups because I can outline a web page and present it to my designer overseas in a professional manner. Even the overseas designer says I show great talent for page design, and it's all thanks to mockups being a great piece of software. Great mockup wireframes tool for people with ambitions as designers. Cons: there the customer service was terrible. No upcoming renewal notification was ever received, and when we immediately responded to the invoice asking them to refund the annual subscription fee, their customer service lead refuses. Whenever I need to work on user flows, I tend to use another app that is faster to work with. The hotspots are limited, so you can't easily make fully interactive prototypes. It's a pain to select every element in a section to group it individually, but I do it because sometimes we need to rearrange section of the page.